Helloangel.design. Today I'm going to show you how to set your sewing machine when you are going to smoke a dress or any dress that you are making. First thing, as you can see right here, I have a brother sewing machine. I will just show you around how my brother's sewing machine look. First thing that you have to do, this is where I put my bobbin. You just push it on the side and then take this out. So you go ahead and take out your bobbin thread. Once you have done that, you can see this slide here on the sewing machine. What you have to do, come down here and push it towards you like that, and then you just take that out. Once you have done taking that out, this is where my bobbin stays. This is where my bobbin stays, this black circle stain right here. What you are going to do, you also take it out like this. You can see that there is two knots right here. One is green because I've done that before. That is why you can see a little bit of green, but not so green. And the other one is very plain. There is no green. You can see this has a little bit of green because I have screwed it before and used it to smoke a dress. So what you're going to do, every sewing machine comes with a screwdriver. So this is my screwdriver right here, the one that comes with the sewing machine. The mat right here, is too big, so this is very tiny mat. So if you have this, it will be very good for you to twist it up and down and easy, and this tiny place will go inside the knot. So what you're going to do, you pick this up right here. Do not screw this, just leave it alone the way it is. Do not even mess it up. You don't want to mess that up. This is the green one because you want the tension to be very tight. If you set the tension on your sewing machine, it will not work. So if you're using brother sewing machine, this is what you have to do. If you're not using brother sewing machine, I don't know about that. I'm just showing those who use brother sewing machine. So you take your screwdriver and you put it inside the knot, and you just keep twisting it and make sure it's very, very tight. Make sure it's tight. Once you have done that, the next thing that you have to do, is to take your bobbin. When you're rolling your elastic thread on your bobbin, you're going to roll it with your hand, not with the sewing machine. You just go ahead and keep rolling it all around. So just put it inside like this. You can see the way I put it. Pull it out a little bit. There is a hole in between right here. There is a hole in between right here, and you take it underneath like that. You can see the way I do it. Once you have done it like that, then you put the bobbin and the stain inside the sewing machine. You just put it like this. Once you have done it like that, then this part for the sewing machine, you take it and take your thread like this, and then just go ahead and push it in just like that. So you take this and use it to just the same way you do it on your sewing machine. Just go ahead and put it across like that. Just leave it like that. Take your cover and use it to cover the machine like this. The next thing that you have to do is to put your normal thread on your sewing machine. I have fixed my thread on the sewing machine. The next thing that you have to do, you roll the wheel of your sewing machine just to take out your elastic thread out. You just keep rolling it, and then just for you to take it all out. And then you take it out like this. Make sure the elastic is longer. You just take it out like that. Cut this out just like this. The next thing that you have to do, set your sewing machine to the longest stitch. So you can set, because mine is 2.5 right here, that is my normal stitch length when I'm sewing. So I will just set it to 4.5 or 5. The longest stitch of my sewing machine is 5, but I'm setting it to 4.5. Once you have done it like this, take a piece of fabric. Do not just put your dress and start stitching. Take a piece of fabric and try it out to see how you want it. If you want to extend your stitch length, then you can extend your stitch length. So I will place mine like this, and I will stitch along and show you how it looks. This is how it is, and this is the back. This is how it looks right now, and you just go ahead and keep stitching. So when you're stitching, make sure you pull your fabric. You don't want it to be like this. You do your best to pull your fabric when you're stitching. You can see how it is right here. You see how it is. You just go ahead and start stitching. Make sure you try it out 4 to 5 times, and then you can place your fabric and stitch your dress or whatever dress that you are making. So this is how it will look once you have stitched your dress or any dress that you are making. If you want to extend your stitch length, let me just extend it to 5 and then show you the difference. So I'm turning the fabric on the other way around and then stitch it. So this is the difference between 5 stitch length and 4.5 stitch length. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If it's been helpful, thumbs up, make a comment down below if you have any questions. And please watch the tutorial to the end. Maybe that question that you are about to write, I have already explained it on this video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a beautiful day. Bye.